Hi guys, welcome to my lesson, Nexion editor and pic microcontroller. We will learn together from the scratch how to use microcontroller pic with Nexion editor. Okay, let's start. I will not show you how to install Nexion editor because you can find in internet many video about that. Let's forget that and start directly. I open Nexion editor, new lesson 1. Let open close register. I'm using the Nexion basic model, this one I chose here, and then display vertical horizontal, you can choose horizontal, and then here you can put code, but I don't want now, later. Okay, our screen is this. Screen size is 320 and 240. I want to put here picture. You can see the tools is here. When you click, it's coming. When you click, it's coming. You can delete like this. Delete picture, it comes. I will put it here picture and then some two button and one text. So the picture is here. When I click here, you can see here the information about the page. When I click here, you can see the information about picture. Okay, now we will add picture here. How? As you can see here, picture font, Gmo video, audio. Our Nexion cannot support video and audio and this one, so we will use picture and font. So I click picture, add picture. Firstly, I must download picture from the Google. Don't forget the size, 320 to 40. I can say nature. Nature wallpaper. We can choose here any picture, but the size, it must be same. You can see here. Save it. Yes. Yeah. You will come here and then picture. Our picture is this, and then say open. Okay. Now our picture, it come here. We will put it this one inside of this. I will click picture. As you see, the picture is empty now. So I click here, browse. It's open directly this one. Choose. Okay. Our picture, it come here. Yeah, it start move. Yeah. And then I will put it here, two button. One button here and then one button here. This is for opening LED and this is for closing LED. And then one text, it will show the LED is open or closed. Okay. When I click here, you will see here about the information about the button. When you click this, default background color, the color of background, we can change it. I want it's blue. And then this one, background color of press. When you press it, what color you want to choose, it will seem green. I say okay. And this one, default font color, it means the color of the letterings. Black is okay. I come to button 2. As you see, it's green, default background color. I will choose this this time red, and then this one, when I press, I want to see it's green. Okay, and then I will change the name. You can see here, I click button 1, you see this one, we will change let open. Okay, but we cannot see now because there's a reason, I will tell later. I click this one, I will change let close. Okay, we cannot see now the letterings because we have no any font. As you see here, there's no font. So what we will do, we will add font generator. This is the size, this is the name, and this one is the, we will put the name. This is the style. Okay, it's anything is okay. I will say the name 16 generate, where I will generate nextion lesson. I will put the name 16, save it. Okay, here if you want to add here or not, I say yes, you must say also yes. And then let's put 24, the name is 24. Okay, 24. Okay, yes, you want to add yes, let's close. You can see here when you click font, you see our font come here. This is the for lettering, guys. The size is 16, this is 24. So when I come here, when I click, you see it's automatic, the letterings is seen. Because why? This font is now automatic accepted 0. I can choose 1. What will happen when I choose to 1? The font 1, as you see, it became big because our second font is more big. Let's choose for this also 1. As you see, it became big. Okay, and this one, what we will show here, let close is open. At first it is closed, so I will write let close. Okay, and also we can change the font. You can see here font is 0, so I make it 1. It's more big. Let's make it more big. Okay, and then we can change the background color. We can make it yellow, and then we need something here. No, okay, let's debug. What it say, let's see. Okay, there was a mistake here, guys. The picture, the location must be 0 0. Debug. As you see here, when I click green, when I click green, but this is not changing. This is now just design. Now we will I will tell the coding. Okay, I click this. When I click this, you can see touch press event, touch release event. When I press, if I click this and then this one, send component ID, debug again. When I click this, as you see, there is some code, and I click this, there is some code, but this code is not same, it's different. In the microcontroller, we will read this and then make some things. Okay, but this is 7 byte, so it's little confused. Not need to use this. I will teach you more easy way. I remove this and then remove this. Okay, when I click this, we will send print AB. Okay, and then after sending this code, I want to show here let open. As you see, this is name, this one is name is T0. Okay, after sending this T0 text, what we will write here, let open. This one, when I click this, send, what we will send, cd, and then T0 text, write let close. Okay, let's try. As you see, it sent AB and then change here let open. When I click here, let close, and then it sent CD. Yeah, this is what we will do in the nextion editor, just this. Okay, and then we need to transfer to this one, our USB. I will show how to transfer to USB. 1 second. After writing this, you put your micro USB, your computer, and then file, TFT file output. Choose your location. As you see, it come here. Okay, we will put this to nextion editor. I will show later how to put that. Now we will pass to micro C to write our code. Okay, I'm using PIC 18F4550 4 megahertz void main. This is usual, and then I will open just one LED for the 0. I clear now this one and then make it output. Okay, and then close to comparator, and then make all the port the digital input output. Okay, and then what init, our baud rate is this one, make little delay. Okay, and then while. Okay, and then let's read. Before reading, we must check if our register is ready or not. If we will say if what data ready equal 1. If it's equal, what we will do, so we can read. Yeah, we will read and then put it inside of something. What it can be, in integer. Okay, integer, but we must write here int k equals 0. Yes, we read and then put inside the k, and then we say if k equal uh, ab, this is 2 byte that we sent by Nexion editor. If this come, what we will do, then put the f0 open. Okay, if k equal cd, what we will do, for the f equal 0, close it. Let's read again. Here we make integer k 0 and then clear for the f0 and then make it out and then close comparator and then make all the port digital input output. UART 9600 baud, and then here we check if it's ready. If it's ready, we read and then we compare. If it's AB, open port the F0. If it's CD, close it. That's all. Make build. There's no any error. That's all. Guys, I make mistake here. This is trace not B, trace D. Okay, build it. That's all. Yeah, it's time to now put our code to Nexion editor, Nexion screen. You can put your micro USB here and then connect the power. You can use your mobile phone charger. You can see it's putting the code. Yeah, update is successful. Remove the power and then remove the USD card and then put again the power. You can see here our screen is ready. Let's try it. Yeah, yeah, the connection, this is RX of Nexion, so it will go to the on the microchip TX. This is TX of Nexion. It will go on the microchip RX. This black cable is go to the ground. This will go to the power 5 volt. Okay, and this one now I am giving power separate from telephone battery, and this one from the computer. So what I must do, the ground here, the ground I must attach to the ground of the my microchip. Okay, don't forget this. Thank you very much. You can share my video and you can subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. I will continue to make another video. Goodbye.